tough job or what? I forgot my cold drink.
That's my dad. Years ago, he hacked his lawnmower so it would do all the work for him. Now he's here to reveal his secrets. Ni hao to all you people looking to steal a good idea. We're going to show you how to hack your lawnmower. This is my dad. Hey Dad, you've got a very interesting background and had a very interesting life. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
When I was born, I had a lazy eye. I grew up in Cortland, New York. Then I was an engineer for 30 years and I had 14 patents or whatever. Now I am a retired guy and I still have a lazy eye, but most importantly, I have an eye for being lazy. So I hacked my lawnmower, and this is the concludes the dream sequence.
Well, that was very interesting. Let's talk about what we've done to the mower. All right, Dad, so explain how it works.
Okay, folks, this is the ground pivot spike. It's a square piece of steel tubing that
Basically, you whack that into the ground.
you beat it into the ground as a pivot point.
That's an old piece of fence that
And
you
then,
just took.
then we have another piece, a square piece that fits in there with a spool on it. So the idea is to get the lawnmower to wrap up around this so it makes a spiral to cover the whole area.
It's going to wind itself in.
Right.
Now we got two challenges though. Dad has a very flat lawn. I have a very slanted lawn, so it's going to have uphill, downhill issues. And I got a front wheel drive mower, which isn't as powerful as rear wheel drive. My dad saw this in a Popular Mechanics magazine, and that's where his idea came from. Now look, he put a little U-bolt in here, and it's fastened down with nuts. It's going to hook right into the spindle. Now here's what we did. My wheels have been spinning and they're bald, and so that's going to help us get some traction. And we're going to let her rip and see if it's going to go uphill. I don't know. So let's give it a shot. You guys might want to really stick a stick in here to make sure you don't lose this thing, because we just put this in and then I literally couldn't find it 5 minutes later. It took us 5 minutes. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to walk this out to my maximum circumference, and then we're hooking the lawnmower to it, guys, and we're going to see if this is going to be a go. So what we got, and guys, so this is the dangerous part, is we've got this dead man switch tied shut with wound shut with some wire, and then we're gonna start the mower after we hook it up, and then wind the self-propelled in so it starts going, and then we're gonna see if it'll make it up. See, now I got a big old incline there, and that's what's worrying me. Let's give it a go.
Go ahead.
You got any words of inspiration?
Yeah, good luck. Just turn it!
It came loose again. Alright, actually it was not the spool being loose, but it was the thing was starting to turn in the ground, and that's one of the hazards. We had some rain, and so that's why it got loose on the way downhill. Alright, take two. Here we go. this a tough job or what? We forgot our cold drinks!